Master Sergeant John Lennon. With their air refueling boom extended, take a look at the KC-135R Stratotanker, giving you a wing wag. They'll get to flying speed with those two 1,200 horsepower Pratt & Whitney radial engines. There are people getting the ride of their lives right now. Listen to the sound of the radial engine with the smoke on. Here comes Kevin Russo. The sound you are hearing is actually the sound of the propeller tips going supersonic at about 2,250 revolutions per minute.